The Alarm Viewer is a tool used to display a list of alarms and to allow the user to interact with the alarms by either acknowledging or masking them. You can insert an alarm viewer from the Insert menu, and it's possible to insert different alarm viewers in the same screen and in the same project. The Alarm Viewer properties appear, but before we go through it, we're going to see how the Alarm Viewer works in runtime. You can resize and move the Alarm Viewer anywhere in your Mimic as with any other object within PcVue. Now we'll switch to runtime, and when you simulate an alarm, you can see the status of the alarm in the viewer. The menu allows to filter the list to be displayed with different status. For example, here I filter the alarm unavailable. You can also acknowledge or mask and unmask the alarms. To acknowledge an alarm, just select it from the list and click on the button from the menu. And that's it. The alarm has been acknowledged. Also, if you right-click on the menu, you can change the location of the menu and even its content. Two display modes exist. As you can see here, when the value changes, the same line is refreshed. This is the default mode called List Mode. If you switch to the Online mode as shown, then a line appears for each state of the alarm. The Alarm Viewer is fully configurable. In Design mode, double-click the Alarm Viewer to access the properties. 4 tabs appear. The Display tab is used to configure general display settings. The Alarm Viewer can display a maximum of 8 columns with a fully customizable content. You can configure the column title and display the format in the corresponding column using substitution characters. Click the Help button to access the online help within PcVue. And here at the topic, we would look up Configuring the Alarm Viewer line format. It shows all the format possibilities. And for example, we can add a substitution to display the domain. And here we enter the title for the new column, Domain, and enter the substitution £D to display the domain. From the Execution tab, you can select the number of lines you want to manage. You can select the mode list or online as default. You can also select the allowances or authorization that the operators are permitted at runtime. Here we'll authorize the operator to print the selected alarm by clicking the print icon in the toolbar. The Filter tab allows you to filter the alarm you want displayed. For example, alarm with domain general. You can also filter the alarm priorities. Switch to Run mode. And now we can see the domain of alarms, and it's even possible to change the filter with the Advanced Properties dialog. So here we want to display alarms with the domain light. Thank you for joining PcVue Basic Alarm Tutorials.